Hey everybody. Alright, so I'm doing some more gardening, and today I'm focusing on, well, I did my stuff, you know, with my garden here, planting and pruning and stuff, but today I'm focusing on this peppermint plant. Look at it, it's just growing out of control. So what I am going to do is prune some of these branches because they're getting out of control. But I wanted to show y'all when I was digging up in here like this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. You know how you get a fresh bouquet, oh my gosh, of flowers, and the really good smelling roses just hit you? Yeah, this smell hit me. Ooh-wee. Look at this plant. It's beautiful. Look at these leaves. Gorgeous.